Say hello to my little friend. Bought this bad boy to speed things up. This is a reciprocating saw from Ingco. Let's see how it works out. Yeah, shit. Safety's on. Safety first, eh? Let's go. Easy as. Okay, pickaxe time, baby. Hey, before we get going with the reciprocating saw, I've just got to start with measuring these poles. I missed one of these measurements. If we have a second set made, I want to try and make them the same as these. These ones are pretty nicely made, I'd say. They're basically telescoped. So as you can see, what they did here is they start with a base one, and they put a little piece over here that they welded in, and then this basically stops it from falling in, and then they just secure it with a bolt as well. So they did that all the way up. There are 3 sections. Over here is the thinnest, the smallest one, same for the crossbar, I think. Here's another diameter, and then the base is obviously the thickest. We're still looking for we're still looking for a second set of poles for our second field, something that's keeping us back from making this tournament even bigger. So if you guys can help out, please get in touch. We'd appreciate it. Thank you. So measurement came out just under 90 millimeters. You can see this is a super old caliper. Got it from my dad. I think it belonged to my granddad. But it works. So I bought this Ingco reciprocating saw recently to help me remove some thorn trees on a rugby field. So this is the 210 millimeter version. Let's get started. So I've already taken out of the box. You get this, you basically get the unit. You need to buy a battery and a charger. And it comes with 2 saws, a little instruction booklet. The one, it looks like, is a metal saw, as you can see there. This is for wood. So this is the one I'm going to be using today. And then there's just an Allen key there to make some adjustments, and just a kind of instruction manual. Anyways, putting in the saw is quite straightforward. You simply pop this in with this, obviously with the teeth pointing down. And then you turn this little thing anti-clockwise. You pop it in, and there it goes. It's as simple as that. Just got to put in my battery, and then I'm ready to go. All right, so this is the battery. You get them in different sizes, and I think they're kind of universal, so you can use them on any of the Ingco products, I believe. And here is a nice battery indicator. If you hold it down, this one's got full battery, as you can see. This little clip is to release it. Also, when it goes in the unit, you simply press this down, pop this off, voila, easy as. Okay, battery goes into the unit. You're ready to go. Nice, let's get started. Just one quick thing, it's obviously got a safety. Over here, you just press this in, then you can't press it. I'll keep that on for the meantime as I put on my PPE. Okay, let's see if this thing works. It's still tough. It's still very tough. This root here, mamma mia. This root is not going down easy. I'll edit that part out. There we go. Mamma mia. Root's still bloody difficult, man. Wow. Okay, let's go to number 2. This is also a big one. Yo. That went nice and easy. Just put it up against this part here, and then it goes nice. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3, done. On to number 4. Yes. 5 is done. 6 is done. Okay, on to number 8. Nice. Yeah, so I basically cut into the soil a bit there. This one was a bit loosened up, but if I can do that, my output will be much higher. It's one of the reasons why I got this saw, because I don't think the soil has kind of come in this area, but I don't think it will cause much damage as long as you keep the thing straight and you don't bend the blade. It should be fine. Okay, on to number 9. Easy. Okay, going to number 10. Yeah, this one has not been softened up. I'm just going to give this a go and see how it goes. Nice, now completely gone. Easy. Jeez, I'm starting to lose count. I think this is number 10, eh? Okay, still on number 10. Yeah, eyeball this thing. Let me go and get the pickaxe. Okay, pickaxe time, baby. Oh, easy. There you go. That's number 10 done. This thing is, this root goes a bit deeper. We'll sort that out now. Bring out the old pickaxe again. Still a very valuable tool. The old pickaxe. That's fine. Hey. Righto, as we end of day 12 here, I am convinced that with a shovel, a pickaxe, and this your reciprocating saw, you can take on the world. Until next time, cheerio. So, pile goes from 31 to 51. Hang on, let's get some extras here. 51. Cheerio.